Tick-tock. Time is slipping away, and so is your money. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt in control of your finances? Or does it feel like your paycheck disappears faster than free pizza at a party? Today, I'm going to show you how to save and actually think about money like the wealthy do. It's not about cutting lattes or skipping avocado toast. It's about shifting your mindset entirely. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your wallet the same way again. Most people don't realize they're trapped in a cycle. The earn, spend, repeat loop. Sound familiar? It's designed to keep you stressed, broke, and distracted. But here's the scary part. Every day you waste, you're not just losing money, you're losing time. Time to invest, time to grow, time to live the life you deserve. Retail therapy is not therapy. Yeah, buying that extra hoodie isn't going to fix your problems. It's just going to make your closet more crowded. But don't worry, this isn't about guilt. It's about taking back control. Here's how. The wealthy don't see money as something to spend. They see it as something to multiply. Here's the mindset shift. Every dollar you earn as a soldier, you can either send it off to fight for you or watch it desert you in the aisles of Target. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before you spend a dime, invest in your future. Whether it's $10 or $100, your future self will thank you. Step 2. Track every dollar. It's not boring, it's empowering. Because what gets measured gets managed. But what about saving? Here's the game changer. Saving isn't about sacrifice, it's about freedom. Start small. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. And here's the hack. Give your savings a purpose. Call it your travel the world fund, your dream home fund, whatever excites you. It's not just a rainy day fund, it's a buy your own umbrella fund. Saving isn't just practical, it's a statement. It says, I'm not just surviving, I'm thriving. And when you start seeing your money grow, trust me, you'll get addicted to the progress. Money is more than numbers. It's a tool to design your dream life. So what are you waiting for? Start saving, start thinking, and start winning. And if you want more tips to level up your money game, check out this video here. Because your future is worth it.